Shalom. This is Lordhekasolra. Welcome to ODM, a realm of forever present divine cosmic intelligence. Here is a space that you come if you are in seek of the truth. Here you come when you are ready to take back your own power and defend yourself by divine right and under the law of grace to receive the blessings that you always deserve to receive. Here you come to get wisdom, you come to get knowledge, you come to get metaphysical information. I teach about a lot of sciences. I also teach about spirituality. I teach about healing technologies. I am a channeler, and I channel energies from the upper higher. I channel energies from there. I also use cards to confirm my messages, because the whole objective of me even doing this is so that you guys can understand that you are a spiritual being before you are a physical entity. You are not only just a physical entity, you are everything, and everything is you. So I'm here to help you with a little guidance. I do live videos daily, every single day. I do live videos at my website. The link is down below if you would like to come by and check out my website. What I was about to say. If you wanted to come through and check out my website, that's it. As far as YouTube, you know, I will be posting anything that you need, but if you want to, you know, some of the topics that I discuss are, you know, kind of censored by this platform. So all the real topics is over at the website and at the Omniversity of DM.online. Again, that's the Omniversity of DM.online. And so, as well as what I was saying is, this channel is dedicated to divine grade programmers, and helping people to remember who they are and what's going on in this systematic existence, you know, in this play, you know, in this that we're pretending to act in. But so stay tuned. If you are a person who would like to come by and if this sounds like interesting to you, then you can hit the like button so that other people can get notified to, you know, by hitting the algorithm. Or you can also subscribe if you personally like, or you can share it with a person, place, or thing. With that being said, this is my new channel. I had an old channel, but we ain't even gonna keep talking about the past. It is what it is. We went on with that, and I'm back at it again. Lordhekasolra, let's get it.